Hello guys, this is Chirodeep once again and you're watching Code Java tutorial series. In this tutorial we're gonna learn about access level specifier in Java, and today we're gonna discuss about private access level, and we're gonna see that how we can use private attributes or methods or variables in our classes or in outside of package. So here I have declared one package, and this class A is inside the package name pack1, and I have declared one variable that is a private type variable, that is access level of of the level private. Okay, now I'm going to use this private integer I in my same package but in a different class. Now here you can see that I have named the manager class as pack1 and I have imported pack1.a over here. Now I'm trying to create a constructor over here, a1, and I'm trying to print a1.i. Now if you run this program you will get an error, and the error will be a.i is not visible. That's because a.i a1 a.i, the class name dot the variable name I is declared as private, so you can't use the method or you can't use this variable I outside of your class. Okay, and as well as you can't use it outside of your package also. Now here also I have created one class, that is manager1, and I have imported pack1.a. Now I am trying to print I of the class A in my pack1, and I am getting one error because class A contains one private attribute which can be inherited also in subclass. So private variable can't be inherited, private variable can't be used outside of your class, private variable can't be used outside of your package. So these are the important points of private variables or private access. Now come to this class. In this class I have defined two methods. As you can see, one is test method and one is private void test2 method. So test2 method is private. Now in class E I am extending class D and I have imported pack1.d. Now inside my class E I have defined one method, that is test3 method, and I am calling test method from test3 method, and which I have no problem calling. But when I am calling test2 method I will get one error, and as because test2 is declared as a private, so test2 from the type T is not visible in my class E, so I will get an error. Now moving to the next program, here I have defined, as you can see here I have defined one private constructor over here. Okay, class F. So this is a very crucial point. Whenever you are declaring one private constructor in your class, that class can't be used or inherited in any of your classes, as because you can't create an object of that class, you can't access that class. Whenever you are trying to access the class you have to create an object, or through object you can access the non-static variable of that class. So here I have defined my constructor as private. So in order to create an object in my manager3 class, I will get an error because I am trying to call the constructor which is private. So the constructor if is not visible, you have to explicitly specify the constructor, only you can then access the constructor over here. But in this case we can't access, as because the constructor of the F class is declared as private. Whenever you are extending class F you will get also an error message, and in this error you will see that implicit superconstructor F is not visible for default constructor, must define an explicit constructor. In order to access F class you have to define an explicit constructor, then only you can access the class F. So this is the pretty brief example of the private access level. In my next tutorial I'm gonna discuss about default access level. So thanks for watching and have a nice day.